this type of heat this early too kind of really is a jolt to the system. And we got to remember, you know, by July and August, we've heard, you know, we're a little more prepared. It's dangerous.
There's a lot of layers to it. Yeah. You know, it does take the body time to acclimate. We haven't had that time, but record heat is record heat. And what really gets us is not just those afternoon highs, it's the morning lows. Right. If we can't cool off overnight, air conditioners, even if you have one, sometimes have a hard time keeping up. And you just saw that folks with illnesses, respiratory issues, underlying conditions, even medications can impact your body's ability to regulate its temperature. Heat is the #1 weather killer worldwide. In the U.S., it is a big deal. It's a sneaky one because you don't see it. It doesn't have the visual wow of a storm or a tornado or a flood or a hurricane, but it is in so many ways the most impactful threat that we deal with weather-wise. Milky skies today suppressed it just a bit, and hopefully the absence of a direct sun angle provided a little bit of relief to your home, your car. It doesn't necessarily trap that heat as immediately, but it's still hot. It's still humid. We're in the upper 80s. Showers have been draped near the Mississippi River, and it's kind of the cloud debris from that has been draped across our area today. It kept skies milky, it kept temperatures a few degrees cooler, but again, we're not really cooling in those overnights like we need to. Clouds prevent heat during the day. They trap heat at night. With our clouds, we've had a couple pinprick showers and storms, and they're already falling apart. This one right here truly is on its last breath. A few showers drifting into southern Montgomery County. We had a couple showers earlier downtown, but it's done. We're just socked in with clouds. One lone soldier there in Wilson County and a couple scragglers across our Kentucky tier. In general, we're done with the rain. We're not done with the heat, though. While we stayed in the 80s today because of the clouds, we'll do the same thing tomorrow because of clouds. As we head into the weekend, potential record-setting heat does look to be on tap. So we're still in a very, very hot stretch. Tonight, 70s, tomorrow, 90. Milky. As we head into the weekend, we could touch the triple-digit mark. It is not common for Nashville to hit 100 degrees in part because of the humidity. Muggy air does not heat and cool very efficiently. Water is actually one of our most efficient greenhouse gases. It traps heat in the atmosphere. It's what makes it feel so gross outside. But it also tends to prevent us from seeing the extreme temperatures that the desert could get. It's not the heat, though. It's the humidity. Near records as we head into the weekend. The record Friday is 100. I'm calling for 98. Record Saturday is 101, calling for 99. Sunday also 101, calling for 98. Other key thing to note, if we do touch 100 this weekend, it'd be the first time that we have done this since August 25th of last year. Last year, we touched 100 twice. So again, it's not a common setup for us, and it does have a cumulative effect on the body. So we want to take care of each other, take care of yourselves, take care of your neighbors. Rain chances return next week. That will help inch the mercury down just a little bit, but it looks like a hot stretch to end June.